First task natin, oh. Oo.
Bakit?
Ang ano?
Sobrang liit lang ka.
Baka gusto ni, ano... Pwede ba gumalaw?
Sama, usap.
Kailangan mo
Oo nga, feeling ko.
Hindi, oo. Ayan na, nag-start na ata. Nag-start na ba? I don't know.
At haba.
Ube? Ube? Ube?
Bakit? Ang random? Wala ka na kinain.
Uy na daw.
Totoo. Uy, pwede kaya yun.
Housemates,
Ay po.
Yes, kuya.
handa na ba kayo?
Yes po! Let's do this, guys! Breathe!
Pero, nakakasigurado ba kayo na hindi mapuputol ang inyong human chain?
Yes, kuya.
Po!
Nakakasiguro ka.
Gaano kayo kasigurado?
Sobra po!
Are you sure about that?
100 and 100%.
200.
Tandaan, hindi maaaring maputol ang human chain
Yes, kuya.
Okay.
sa kahit anong paraan.
Yes po.
Hit. Gaganon ako, ha? Okay. Tapos?
Mas careful, ha?
At hindi rin maaaring bumitaw
Ha?
ang lahat hanggang hindi matagumpay na naililipat ang birthday cake.
So we have multiple tries. Is what he's saying.
Multiple.
So, tatanungin ko kayo muli. Sigurado na ba kayo sa inyong human chain?
Yes po, kuya.
Guys, sample muna natin. Walang cake.
Sigurado na ba kayo?
Yes po, kuya.
Careful, ha? Madulas.
Guys, sample muna natin. Walang cake. Pwede. Sample walang cake. Or diretso na.
Yes, sir.
Diretso na.
Kaya natin to.
Okay.
Careful, ha?
Kaya natin to.
It's madulas.
Yeah.
Yes.
We got this.
Kabataang Pinoy.
Kung ganon, housemates, simulan na ang paglipat ng cake sa human chain.
Let's
Game.
go, guys! Go! Careful! Careful.
Shut up, bro. Be quiet, be quiet.
Careful. Careful. Walang bibitaw, ha?
One hand? Wow, one hand.
Make sure the chain's connected. Is it connected?
Let's not, Inigo, let's not let go, let's not let go of anything.
Pasa nyo, make sure nyo yung inaapak ko nyo nakaapak ko. Make sure you guys are still connected there. Especially you, Anton. Yung paa mo, okay?
Let's go.
Remember guys, it's the chain of friendship we made along the way.
Ay, relax muna dyan. Baka may bumitaw.
Let's go, let's go.
Walang bibitaw, bro! Inigo, walang bibitaw. Inigo, pwede ka kumapit dito. Bro,
Tingin sa paa.
Ayun na!
dahil dito.
Tingin sa
See
paa,
this?
tingin sa
You can
paa.
grab onto that.
No, it's okay.
Look at your feet. Sure?
Look at your feet.
Friend, happy birthday!
Wait, ba't walang gagalaw?
Sayo muna, sayo muna.
Walang gagalaw. Wait.
Happy birthday!
Kasi kakain daw tayo ng cake
Lang,
na
ako
ganito lang
bibitaw.
tayo.
Bibitaw si kuya.
Buti na lang madami matangkad na housemates. We get to like pwede.
Kasali ka doon, kasali.
Ako hindi ako pumunta.
Tsaka si Carmela kasama doon. Kasama ka rin doon.
Housemates, ang resulta ng inyong task Congratulations! Kayo ay nagtagumpay sa inyong task.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Uy, yung mga
Good job.
For the matcha!
That's all
For the matcha! We're doing it!
Good job, guys. Good job.
Amazing
Good
work.
job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
One and so.
Grabbing
Ano talaga nakasalanin?
Good job.
Split ka ba?
Hindi, siya nagsalit.
Success tayo. Good job. Good job. Happy birthday, bro. Good job.
Mamaya na natin
Good job. Happy
tutuloyin.
birthday.
Haon.
Ay, so yung my birthday.
What's
Good job,
left
good job.
of the massacre?
Good job.
Galing natin, pare. Good job, guys.
Good job.
Good job.
Nice one.
Big.
Good job, good job. Good job, good job. Good job.
Nice one, man.
Okay, sabay-sabay. Hagi si Fred sa pool. Good job. First time.